Well, Frank, thanks for being here today.
Oh, you're welcome. My pleasure.
So, Frank, we talk about our partnership, W3 and Valmark, but how would you say that this partnership between us has actually enhanced the client experience of your end clients?
So Valmark has a wide breadth of solutions and products that we're allowed to use for our clients. Like I mentioned earlier, it's not just fee only or fee-based products. It's across the whole spectrum of commission products, insurance products, those sorts of things. Valmark does not make any products in-house. They're not the manufacturer of any of those products. And so we're not being told what we have to use or sell. It's truly up to us coming up with a custom solution for our clients and what's truly in their best interest. And at the end of the day, there's no motivation to use one item versus another because there's no incentive for anybody to do one thing over the other.
You talk a lot about, or you hear a lot about fee-based advisors,
Right.
the fiduciary, right? That's kind of we've even seen different regulations come into place. And the whole idea is the soundbite that commissions are bad, fees are good.
Right.
And as someone who's in the business who does both fees and commissions, why might you take exception to the idea that fee only is what's best for clients?
There's a lot of products that are not fee only that are appropriate for clients. Everyone has a different, unique, custom solution that is appropriate for their needs. And sometimes a commission-based product is less expensive for them and more appropriate for them and their time frame and their goals. And some products in the insurance space, you need to have a variable product because there's lower expenses for them. And so if we're not able to offer that, then I feel like we're shortchanging the client and not providing something that's truly in their best interest. And I don't want to have someone else be able to come in and offer something better than what I can offer. And I don't want to offer something to the client that I'm only offering because that's the only thing that we're allowed to sell, allowed to actually use. And so I like having the choice of everything. We like the fact that we can just go to one place, and that's Valmark, to be able to have access to anything. And so Valmark will partner with us and help to share all those solutions with us. And we can go there and, we can help each client with their own custom needs.
We talked about 18 years that Valmark and W3 have been partners. We talked about some of the ways that it helps you as business owner and advisors and even as your end clients. But what have the results been just in terms for you as a business owner? What has the impact of the partnership been over those 18 years?
So from a pure asset under management standpoint, when my dad and his business partner bought the practice and my partner Sheldon and I came together, W3 had about 17 million of assets under management. And as of the end of last year, we had over 1.3 billion. And so in 18 years, in 18 years time, that's what we've done. And it's because, Valmark made it easy for us. We don't have to think about anything in the back office side because we know they're doing everything for us. And so we could really truly spend our time focused on marketing efforts that we want to focus on and the clients. And the results speak for themselves.
Yeah, that's one of the things we really focus on is enabling independent business owners like you, like Shelby, to focus on your unique ability. So if you can be competent at other things, but is it the highest and best use of your time? So if you can outsource to us some of the portfolio management strategy or some of the financial planning construction or some of the life insurance policy analysis, all of those things, that frees up time to do what you do uniquely well. And I think if you'd agree, that's a big part of how you've grown to 3 billion?
1.3 billion.
1.3 billion.
Yeah, results speak for themselves. It's been a great partnership.
And we talked a little earlier just about the compliance team. Sometimes the dreaded compliance word, right? There's compliance departments that don't protect clients and they're just kind of anything goes. And then there's what some people joke and say the anti-business department. What's your experience working with Valmark as a...
Their compliance department is above and beyond amazing. They always have not only our best interests in mind, but also the end client's best interests in mind. And a quick example is with the recent invasion of Russia invading Ukraine and the war there, is we felt it was very important for us to get a quick video message out to our clients. And so we filmed one. So my partners and I discussed it in the morning. We filmed a video real quick. We submitted it to the compliance department, and less than 2 hours later, we were broadcasting that email video out to all of our clients and prospects. And most other places it's going to take more than 2 hours turnaround time
Right.
with their compliance department. And they knew how important it was for us to serve our clients and to get that message out when a lot of the clients were nervous about what's going on in the world, geopolitics in the news, and watching their portfolios go down in value rapidly.
Last question: if there was a independent advisor that was considering making a broker dealer move, and Valmark was one that they were considering, what would you say to them?
They would be crazy not to go with Valmark.
I like it.
I mean, and in all seriousness, I mean, because you get the best of everything with Valmark. I mean, they're committed to you, committed to the clients, and committed to your success. And they really want you to do well. The better you do, the better they do, and vice versa. And so they're really walking hand in hand with you.
Yeah. Well, it's been a great 18 years, and we look forward to many more.